guys, Casey here, and today I want to show you how to easily find topics or content in our Fit Studio members only group. So what you'll want to do is go into the group, and this is a really cool thing that Facebook has created. It makes it more efficient to find things that you're looking for. So if you look at the middle of the page here where it says Files, Events, Albums, scroll over till you see Topics, and then you'll want to tap that. And it'll bring up a screen with all the different topics. So this depends on what video or content that has been tagged, either Zoom, warm-up, hit. So like if we upload a video or if we post something and we tag it a certain thing, it'll show up under topics. Say you're looking for a Zoom-related post. You're looking for the link or any information about it. So you'll click Zoom. And right now there's only one post that's tagged as Zoom, but anything related to that topic will populate here. So it's really cool because now it'll be easier to find things. It's a little bit more organized instead of having to scroll through your feed and trying to search for it. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Feel free to call, email, or because social distancing. So yes, call or email. Thanks, guys.